Last month went by fast, but as always, we have new gear. Check out what we got in for the month of May. Like these 3 new products from Easy Smart that will make your job safer and easier, and they thread right onto your acne pole tip. Starting with the Easy Smart Cobweb Power Duster. Its battery-powered spinning head and soft bristles were made to clear cobwebs, dust, or debris. The adjustable elbow lets you dial in the angle, and you've got high and low speed settings if you need some extra power. Next up, the Easy Smart Mini Rake. Its lightweight design combined with its pivoting head makes this tool perfect for easy and effective gutter cleaning, so you can clean those gutters without having to get on a ladder, making your job safer and more efficient. Then there's the Smart Handy Hook. This tool is perfect for clearing debris off roofs or for anyone who does holiday lights. The pivoting head adjusts to where you need it, and it keeps you off the ladder for a faster and safer workflow. Over to ladder protection, we've got the Sargent Ladder's Giant Helper. It's made for Y-style extension ladders. Just place it on your pole tip, and it hooks right onto the gutter with a rubberized grip that gives your ladder a stable, no-slip contact point. Perfect for those awkward spots you don't want to put your ladder. And for our surface cleaners out there, F9 Knockdown just dropped. This heavy-duty degreaser cuts through oil, tire marks, battery acid stains, and surface grime. It's biodegradable, non-flammable, phosphate-free, and no harsh fumes. Just pro-grade cleaning power. New swag just hit our warehouse. We got 8 new items for you, including 6 brand new t-shirts. We also got this WCR sun shirt so you can protect your skin on those extra hot days. And you'll want to get your hands on this Steady Eddie hoodie for those cool summer mornings. All of these are available right now. And finally, we have the nice Scrim towels. It's made from genuine linen, and each one measures 32 by 32 inches. It's super absorbent and durable, making it perfect for detailing. It's available in singles, 3-packs, or 10-packs, because one is never enough. Check out all of these products at windowcleaner.com.